Hello Pladers! As millennials age into a powerful demographic of young adults nowadays, their older colleagues, managers, and friendly neighbors have begun to discuss how this new generation is different from all others that came before them. We all know how technology-driven and reliant they are. They prefer text communication to speaking, and how they expect more from their employers. The fact of the matter is that even the youngest millennials are now legal drivers and are joining the rest of the experienced road driving world out on the roads, and their driving habits are now everyone's worry. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here is the list of problems with the millennial drivers. Number 1. Using devices while driving. The millennial attraction for technology and mobile communication doesn't stop when they get behind the wheel. You read that right. Despite all the warnings about using gadgets while driving, millennials are notorious for using navigation devices such Waze and Google Maps with ease, but they also have a terrible reputation for the risky behaviors of talking, watching movies, scrolling their social media accounts, and texting while driving. Many of them learned this behavior from their busy boomer parents. However, while boomers vary wildly in device adaptability, it's a rare millennial that drives without mounted phone or tablet handy. Number 2. Ride sharing. It has slowly become a culture of ride sharing, carpooling, and public transportation. There are even a lot of social media and instant messaging group chats that caters to this market. In many cases, if you see a millennial on the road with one or more passengers, there's a good chance they're earning a little extra money to lessen their transportation expense and trying to complete gig missions quickly. This could easily be another reason our youngest drivers are known for moving quickly. Number 3. Overspeeding. Yes, we all know what YOLO, you only live once, stands for. Speeding has been an extensive problem given the overconfident motorists of every generation. From midlife crisis hot rods to newly received licensed drivers. Filipinos, as you know, loves to drive fast. So why is it that millennials have such bad reputation for racing down the highways or running red lights in comparison to previous generations? Older people, when pulled over or asked about their speeding, often display guilt and knowledge that what they did was wrong. Millennials, on the other hand, usually consider speeding to be a fact of life, or rather having a nag mama daily ako KC late na ako mentality. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.